Taoism, not as a religion you have to join, but as a way to move through life with less friction. Tao means the way, not a rule book, more like the pattern behind how rivers flow, trees grow, storms pass. You can't hold it, but you can align with it. The core move is Wu Wei, effortless action. That doesn't mean doing nothing, it means doing the right thing at the right time so it feels almost frictionless. Think surfing a wave instead of punching the ocean. Then there's yin and yang, complementary opposites. Inhale needs exhale. Stillness balances motion. Taoism says harmony beats domination. Laozi, the old master, loved the water metaphor. Water is soft, but it shapes rock. It goes low, finds the gap, and still gets everywhere. Be like water. Flexible, humble, persistent. Zhuangzi adds playfulness. He asks, was I a man dreaming I was a butterfly, or a butterfly dreaming I was a man? Taoism invites me to loosen my grip on fixed labels and notice reality as it unfolds. What does this look like today? I simplify. Fewer needless moves, clearer choices. I time my effort, push when the current helps, rest when it fights me. I value emptiness, blank calendar space, quiet rooms, open mind. That's where usefulness lives. I avoid rigid certainty. Curiosity keeps me aligned. Taoism isn't about escaping life, it's about participating so well that life carries me. When I stop forcing, I start noticing. When I notice, I respond better. If I forget all of this, I come back to one question. Where's the flow here, and how can I join it without losing myself? That's the way.